How to set up Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you want to set up a Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy device, it's very simple to do so. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to set up Google Assistant on your Galaxy devices, it is very simple to do so. To set up Google Assistant, first of all, on your Galaxy device, open the Google app itself. Tap on the profile icon from the top right, then simply go to Settings. Then select Google Assistant, and once you've done that, go to the option that says Google Assistant or Hey Google, right? So you can go to voice match, and then here under Google Assistant, turn on Hey Google, and next time whenever you speak to your assistant, it will respond to you. It's a simple way on how you can enable Google Assistant on Galaxy device. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.